Good morning. Just going to set up here. We're going to go back to our 240-minute chart. Each bar is 240 minutes of price action. So right now we are currently in this down bar right here. So as you can see, we just kind of over the last week or so, last week, we had a uptrend and or a retracement into this downgoing trend. Okay, and this is the 240-minute chart, so we're seeing a lot of data here, a lot of data going back to November 25th actually. So this is a nice smooth downtrending curve. And then right here, we're seeing a bottoming pattern at 27.93, a retracement into the trend, never beat the 200 moving average. And right here, we were overbought on the stochastic indicator. And from there, we sold off and are continuing to sell off, probably to make new lows. So what we want to do is use everything we know to move in with this trend, the current trend, the long trend and the current trend, right? As the long trend is the downgoing trend, and the current trend would be this trend right here. All right, so that's on the 240. Let me show you how we get into these trades on the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute chart, what you're seeing here is the little bit of different colors, and that's something I'm working on. But what you're seeing here is the downtrend of the previous, since yesterday. This is the downtrend. So we're not seeing as much data on the 15-minute, but we can see where support and resistance are, right? So here I identified a support level, which is now resistance, and at 30.84 I also identified a support level which was broken at 5 o'clock this morning on this candle, here, and we hit a little demand area, retrace back, and on this second candle on the retracement, that was my entry. Okay, and we always enter, and this is a great trade example because I'm going with the trend. I'm entering on a retracement, and I didn't enter until I saw evidence of selling. Okay, so let me blow this up a little bit. Okay, so this is the downtrend. We hit a support level, retrace back up, continued to sell off. This was the breakdown candle that broke previous support, and then we hit a demand level on a retracement. We then entered on the retracement of this support level, which is now resistance on this breakdown candle. Right now we're going up on 9 o'clock. It's a little, you can see the anxiety and nervousness in the movement of the candle and on the activity on this, on the bid-ask spread. But we are going with the idea that most likely, going back to the 240, we will continue downward. Okay, we're in a downtrend, and this is the downward trend, and we're not seeing any evidence of buying on this 250. We're not seeing any evidence of buying on the 60-minute. We're not seeing any evidence of buying on the 15-minute. And so right now we're in a good position. We move to break even. Stop losses at break even. So even if 9 o'clock comes around and reverses this move, we'll walk away with no win or no loss. Let me take us to the 5-minute chart. See if we can see anything. Okay, so on the 5-minute chart, you can see exactly where I entered in, right on that entry candle right there. And I did not hit the sell button until I saw that candle form. That's when I hit the sell button, after the formation of that candle. It was below previous low, below the previous close, going with the direction of the trend. So my objective is to break through this and continue downward. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. All right, on the 1 minute, looks like the bears are really trying to push this down. We're seeing a double bottoming pattern here, but I think on this candle here, we're going to see a breakthrough of the yes, we're going to see a breakthrough of this candle, and we're going to see a close below this support level right here. Let's give that a minute. Where our profit is at $620. And let's see what 9 o'clock gives us. We're at 8:58 right now. And I really want to see what 9 o'clock does. I think that's going to give us the volume we need to push down further. And hopefully not reverse. Hopefully not. But we'll see. We still got a couple more minutes. By the way, this is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart. Okay, each bar is 1 minute. So I like to think of this as going from macro to micro, you know, and you can really, once you start thinking of it that way, it's a lot of fun. Let's see what we got here. Time right now is 8:59. We got another minute. Seeing a little bit of buying activity at 9 o'clock. Let's see what happens. Looks like we broke this level. We broke this level. Are they gonna continue? Let's see here. We got 9. We're at 9 o'clock now. We should be seeing something here. That's our 5-minute candles. So we're seeing here the typical base drop pattern. That's you know, we're seeing some buying activity right here in this candle, and it looks like we're continuing down. Right. Okay, so that's what our downward activity looks like. We're at a $650 profit. Well, hopefully let's see where we're at on this. Let's go back to the 60-minute. Okay, so on the 60-minute, you can see this was our support level. See where this drop off comes. Okay, so we've broken this buy level here, and now our next level will be right here at 29.45. Sorry. So let's put a box around there. Bring that box on over. And see where we go. So we've definitely broken this support level here. I'm gonna give that a little more time. Give that a little more time. go to the 15. Kind of surprised the 9 o'clock didn't give us much activity. I'm gonna move in a little bit. I'm gonna move in a little bit just to capture a little bit of profit. That captures $200 out of the so far what we got. We did break down, but it's like they're trying to fight it. So. Let's do some measurement. Maybe we're on the 15-minute, and from the Globex. All right, from the Globex high, we've already moved $1. $1.50. That's why it's resisting. Okay. From previous close, we're doing 87 cents. We did 87 cents from previous lower day. We did 76 cents. So I would think this is gonna go a little bit further down. But you never know. That's why you gotta capture some profit while you can. You gotta get your position, get the break even as soon as you can, and then capture some profit. Now let's back out. Let's look at we looked at our 60-minute, and we have another level down here. This is a really huge 1 hour candle. I don't think they're gonna be able to reverse that. Anyway, but this is our next level down here at 29.44, which puts us another $1.50 away, which could happen. It could happen. Because I'm not going to be playing the market all day today. I'm going to be going to work pretty soon. So this is where I like to get a little more aggressive with my stop loss, because I don't want to lose too much on this, especially when I do good like this. So I'm going to move in to the top of this candle, to the top of this 15-minute candle. All right. If I were trailing on the 5-minute, I would be more at the top of this candle. Let's see, more at the top of this candle, this one here. And if I were trailing on the 1 minute, I'm going down to the 1 minute, I would be like here on this candle. You see? From macro to micro. So if it takes me out, I'm walking away with a, $400 profit here. If it continues downward, that's great. I'll leave it like that for the rest of the day. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you have a good day. Bye.